Hello guys, my name is Toshiwo. I'm a C# PHP programmer that got bored of doing boring stuff, so I started game dev. I think it was 2016, yeah, more or less 3 years ago. I started working on, experiments actually. Experiments with the Godot game engine. I first made a little bit of research to see which game engine fit the best my needs, and I stumbled upon this Godot game engine, and I loved it. I really loved it, so I never changed that, and I will never change game engine ever. Maybe. Yeah. So my first game is Mars Colonization. It's a temporary name, and you might guess what is this about. Today I want to talk about a specific aspect of this game, that is the exploration. I wanted to be able to explore the whole planet, so that's what I did. In the last 7 months I've been working on terrain generation or terrain rendering. First thing I did was to look for elevation data or height maps, and I found out a pretty high resolution image from the USGS website. Sorry, I always make the same mistake. And there was a problem. Yeah, because the typical cylindrical projection have a lot of deformation at the north and south poles. So I made a little bit of research. I found out that the solution is to use a different projection, and cube sphere or quad sphere projection was the one for me. What is quad sphere or cube sphere projection? Is simply projecting the surface of a sphere onto a cube, as you can see from this little video I made with the actual reprojected images, and then again reprojected onto a sphere. I call this the debug sphere. It helped me to debug when I was developing the terrain generation, and I'm almost done with that. Actually, I'm post this aspect of the game because it works, and I can finally dedicate a little bit of time on other aspects of the game, so I can actually build something that you can also play with in the not so distant future. So here a little bit of the video I recorded today. You can see the beautiful alpha base or base alpha, I don't remember which is the order, the correct order, but you can see that the terrain is loaded dynamically. It's pretty cool. I love it. It's gonna be a huge world to explore in low poly. I have to add a lot of details on the terrain, even if it's a low poly style, and I hope to make this work on mobiles, so I cannot add that much. But of course, everything needed to be the game enjoyable to anyone. I also post daily updates on my Twitter channel, so you can see in the image where to look for. I will put that link also in the description. I try to post every day some progress, add images, or possibly also videos or GIFs. So please follow me. I'm desperate for attention.